Uttana Padasana, raised feet pose. Uttana means intense stretch, Pada means foot, and that's why it's called a raised feet pose. Raised feet pose. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on the floor on your back, arms by your side. Inhale and raise your hands and legs together to about 40 to 45 degrees with knees straight. Now start to arch your lower back and your torso. Your head will also tilt in such a way that now your head is supporting your torso. Hold this position for a few breaths and then slowly return to the original position by exhaling. Repeat for desired repetitions. The benefit of this asana is that it relieves constipation, helps with stomach ailments, strengthens legs and arms, and helps burn belly fat. Avoid doing this asana if you're suffering from lower back issues, neck pains, or high blood pressure. Asana type is lying and difficulty level is 3 on 5.